Hey, just Sam Brown here from SensatioNail. Today we're going to go through an amazing gym look that's called Intriguing Iris. Let's put it to the test. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also to hit that bell notification button. Ching! So just finished my workout and nails still looking fabulous, so keep on watching if you want to see this. As always, make sure you prepare your nails nicely and you get the desired shape. If you need a guide on that, make sure to check out our previous videos. Firstly, with the gel polish, we are going to use the base coat, and then after that we're going to cure it for the whole time until the lamp turns off. Now the fun part. We get to use our first coat of colour, and then after that you want to cure it. Then second fun part, another coat of colour, and then cure it. And then we're coming to the end, so we want to use the top coat and then cure it as always. And then finally but not least, you want to go ahead and cleanse those nails so that they're not sticky. And now for our next look, we'll be doing something a little bit more glamorous to go out on a night out, and they will be definitely intact the next day, trust me. So this is the look I've gone for in the end, with a green chrome powder and a colour called I Am a Black Sheep. If you love this lovely jubbly colour, keep on watching for this tutorial. Firstly, you would want to apply your I Am a Black Sheep, and then you want to cure that. After that, you're going to have to do that a second time. So again, black sheep, and then cure it. After that, you want to go ahead and firmly rub into the polish with your finger or the applicator. Make sure to apply top coat and then go ahead and cure it, and as always, don't forget to cleanse, otherwise you'll have some sticky nickly nails. As always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure to drop them down below, or find us on Twitter, Instagram, all that kind of jazz, and see ya! So just a few tips for aftercare. Make sure not to submerge your hands into water for 24 hours, and as always, don't forget, they're not tools, they are beautiful nails and they're jewels.